Welcome to this course. I'm extremely happy to welcome you on board. In this course, you will learn Flutter and Dart from scratch. No prior knowledge is required. We'll start at the important basics and then work our way through all the core features up to more advanced topics like working with native device features, the Flutter internals, state management, and much more. This course is fully up to date, and as I do it with all my courses, I will keep this course up to date, and you will learn all the things not just in theory, but in an example-driven, project-focused way. We'll build multiple apps throughout this course so that you have concrete examples of how and when to apply a certain feature, and you will learn all the things by applying features on your own. You can follow along and code along, and by the end of the course you will have built multiple apps and you will be well prepared to build your own apps with the knowledge gained in this course. This course also has tons of quizzes and a lot of attached documents that allow you to dive deeper and check your knowledge. Now in addition, you get Q&A support in case you should get stuck, and therefore I'm convinced that this course will turn you into a real Flutter developer. Now, who am I? My name is Maximilian Schwarzmüller and I'm a 5-star rated instructor here on Udemy. I got multiple best-selling courses, and this course here also is the best-selling Flutter course, and I'm super excited about Flutter. I'm working with it since its early alpha days, which actually already are a couple of years ago, and I enjoy working with Flutter. It's an amazing technology which allows you to build amazing mobile apps, and I can't wait to dive into that together with you. So I guess let's get started and let's dive into the most important question. What exactly is Flutter?